All right, guys. This thing sounds good, man. What's going on, family? How y'all doing today? Golly. We're gonna be shooting a video today, man. Man, I am looking rough. That car looking good though, but I'm looking rough. What is going on? We have to do something about this. This don't make no sense. Give me a second. Ooh, okay, there we go, there we go. That was quick and easy. Boy, if I had both my hands free, I'd be doing that Birdman rub right now. Ooh, that boy looking nice. Yeah, man, I'm my own barber, so I don't have to worry about getting in line nowhere. I just walk in the bathroom and handle that business. How many of you guys cut your own hair, man? Comment in the bottom, let me know. Anyway. All right, so here's my plan for the day, guys. Oh, you know what? Before we talk about plans, we got a little business we need to take care of. Need y'all to go and hit that like button, man. Get that out the way. Smash that like button real quick. I'll wait for y'all. It's free. It don't cost anything. It's free. I'm patient. Better yet, for all y'all that like a fresh hairdo, if you like a fresh hairdo, go and hit the like button. Okay, so if you like taper beards or you don't like facial hair at all, go and hit that subscribe button. Just get it out of the way, man. If you like bald heads, fresh shaven bald heads, or if you like fades, dreadlocks, any of that with hair or no hair, go and subscribe, hit the like button, ring the bell, and share this video with somebody else that like the same type of hairstyles, and also somebody that don't like the same kind of hairstyles you like. We gonna knock everybody out the way, man. Go and get it. But anyway, so here's a plan for the day. I want to do some exhaust notes. We're gonna do some drive-bys. We're gonna do a cold start. We're gonna do some revs. We're gonna do high-speed drive-bys or heavy drive-bys or whatever you want to call it. We're also gonna do some. We're gonna do a couple of different ways so that you guys can hear what this exhaust sound like. And listen, I said it on one other video, man. The absolute best sounding V6 exhaust on YouTube. I got it. I'm gonna go ahead on and carry that crown, man. I'm good with that. From a 300. I accept it, man. I'm good. You know, anybody out there got a 300, the V6, with some exhaust work done? Hey, man, let's do a note off. We could do a rev off, man. I'm ready. And if you live in the greater Chicago area, we could pull up and go on and let them ring. Hey, I think I got it, man. I'm good. I have no doubt. I think I got it. This thing sounds so good, it blows my mind. But anyway, it is loud, but it sounds so good. But I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera down. I think I'm gonna be about 6 feet from the car. We're gonna do about 6 feet from the car. Go ahead on and get both start up and some revs. Then we're gonna jump in the car, go take a quick little ride, and go find us a location where we can do some pulls. I have a couple of places in mind, so we're gonna go explore that, and then share that with you guys. Get your opinions, get your thoughts, get your concurring, because I know you're going to agree with me. I think it's phenomenal. Phenomenal. If you don't like it, say that too. I'm good with that. And tell me what you don't like about it, because I think it sounds good. Yes, sir. So, yeah, man, let's just get at it. Guys, so now we did the revs, and I probably should have turned off this pedal commander, because it was just hard to control hitting those points where I wanted to be. So I think it still came out all right. I can't complain. So we're gonna go out and run to this spot real quick, and hopefully, I got 2 spots I want to try. One of them should work. We're going to go over here and see if we can get some quick pulls in, some drive-bys, and kind of give you guys another way to hear. Man, I can't stand these little things. The car is so low. Everything rub on the bottom. So, just trying to figure out how to give you guys some drive-by and different perspective of the exhaust. So give me a minute while we head over there. So I found a spot. I think this is gonna work. We should be able to get some passes done right here without too much interruption and without being too disruptive. Also, remember, you know, I tried to find a spot where it wasn't people's houses and all that other stuff, so I could do some pulls and not be too loud or not be too crazy. So let's go get it. Get it. Hold up. Now, just for a little comparisons, pay attention to the note of the scat pack and the RT that comes by, and then listen to that V6 that comes behind it. All right, guys. This thing sounds good, man. All right, I think I got some footage, man, and I'm let you guys, get your own opinion on what I believe is the best sounding V6 300 on YouTube. Comment at the bottom, give me your thoughts. Woo. I didn't even bury the pedal, man. That was just letting it make noise. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. I got some errands and things I need to run real quick. And yeah, be interested in hearing you guys' thoughts. Man, why am I shining? Woo. But go and give me your comments at the bottom. If you like it, man, give me them 3 100s, man. All I need is them 3 100s. Hook your boy up with them 3 100s, man. It helps with the algorithm. So yeah, man, we're gonna wrap this one up. Yeah. I said that with that Liberty, man. That is not your normal cheap Liberty. This is not your normal 300 V6 V6 300. So, all right, man, we're gonna wrap this up, man. We don't do the normal. We were designed for greatness, baby. So don't be average.